So tell me what your role is and your name and what you do here.
I'm Jackie Anglin. I'm a field marketing manager for Micro Focus for the COBOL and mainframe solutions. And Dev Day has been a baby of mine for over 3 years when we started it after we were doing developer conferences. So it's like the child of our former Micro Focus user groups.
How many have you done so far?
Today makes 31. Yeah.
What makes it so successful? Why this keeps on going year after year, and what brings them back?
We developed it because our developers were not wanting to really drive or fly or travel to a large conference. So we wanted to take Developer Day to them in their cities and bring it to them each year. And so each year we develop a new way for them to see the software, Visual COBOL and Enterprise Developer, and we show them different features that they can do. And so each year they come back wanting to see more and more of what they can do. The customer stories that we have makes it really interesting because people are doing some really great, amazing things with COBOL, and I get excited that we can show our customers and even our prospects what they can do with our products. We know and love them, but just being able to get them out into other people's hands gets me really pumped up.
Okay, so this is Ed Airy, and so Ed, what's your involvement with Dev Days?
Well, I've had a lot of different roles here at Dev Day, from host to now giving the keynote, but my favorite opportunity is being able to talk to customers about how they're using COBOL and their stories. So you always hear something new, and there's a variety of different use cases for COBOL that you've never heard of, from people supporting banking applications to an application providing analytics for the sports industry. So lots of different choices.
So tell me what, in your opinion, makes these events so successful? This is number 31 we just found out. So what makes it people keep coming back?
Well, I think it's the content, certainly, that we provided, the variety of content that we continue to offer, but I think it's also the commitment of the community. We continue to see different people at the event, different organizations, so there's a genuine interest in learning and understanding how to take COBOL and mainframe systems forward. So I think, as long as we have that commitment and interest from the community, we'll keep doing it.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Nick, can you do me a favor? Look at the camera and say COBOL rocks.
Eleanor, COBOL rocks.
So, Jackie, we have Jackie back again, and can you tell, or what can attendees expect when they come to Dev Day?
Well, Dev Day is a one-day event, so we don't want to take them out of the office for too long, but we give them a full day of in-depth demos that they're going to see here. Like, we get down in the basement really quickly, not a lot of marketing fluff as part of the presentations go. We feed them really well. I was raised in the South, so it's all about hospitality here, so I make sure that they definitely don't leave hungry. They get a great lunch, they get lots of snacks for the day, and then at the end of the day, we have a welcome reception, a networking reception where they can network with their peers, but also network with us, try to stump our experts, asking them the hardest COBOL question that they can get, and then at the end of the day, they're gone.
Okay, so you say you get down in the basement pretty quickly, and I'm assuming that means you get very technical. So what kinds of technical training can an attendee expect?
Right, so we bring out our best guys. So we have Mike Bleistein, Steve Wellman come in and take them down under the hood for Visual COBOL and Enterprise Developer. So these guys get technical really quickly. They pull out the great features of the products, and they show how the customers can take advantage of that.
What types of attendees are you seeing at these events?
That's a great question, Eleanor. We're actually seeing a lot of different kinds of attendees. So when I say that, meaning across all industries, very horizontal. There's not a particular industry that's showing up more than others. We're seeing all levels of developers come, so all the way from just starting out in their roles to having been in their roles for many, many years. So lots of different age ranges, like we see males and females, which is exciting to see. So it's really hard to pinpoint that there's just one type of person that comes here. We're looking for all developers, COBOL, .NET, Java. They're all welcome at Dev Day, and they'll all get something out of the event.
Fantastic. So you are seeing younger developers who are experienced with COBOL.
Yes, we are, but also younger developers that might not have the experience with COBOL, but they have COBOL in their company. So they're kind of being asked to deal with these COBOL applications. So they're coming here to figure out how Visual COBOL makes that better for them.
Okay, that's fantastic news. So tell me, what cities have you been to, and what cities are you planning on going to?
We just came from Detroit. We're going to Nashville and Boston soon, New York and Toronto later in the year, as well as Dallas and Chicago. Orlando is a favorite city of ours. And yeah, I think that's it for right now.
Fantastic. And so are these only in North America, or are these events much broader?
No, absolutely not. They are global, which is exciting to see. So they just had one in Brazil. They've had a couple in Germany, and I think my colleagues are planning a few more. So you got
Fantastic. Okay, so and where can people find more information if they'd like to attend a Dev Day?
Right. So there's two favorite places I like to point people to. One is to Twitter. We're huge on Twitter. Hashtag DevDay. You'll find us there for sure. And also on the website. It's microfocus.com/DevDay.
You heard it here. So tell me, Ed, a little bit about the technical information that the attendees will learn. What can they expect to learn here?
Well, at this year at Dev Day, the goal is about building better skills. So we not only want to ensure that they understand some of the technology topics, effectively what you can do with modern COBOL, but we're going to show you how to modernize COBOL systems using REST and web services and modern APIs, with relational database management systems, and then also we're going to show you how to work in a faster, more agile way on the mainframe. So we're going to build a deeper expertise, a deeper knowledge, and hopefully when everyone leaves, they'll have a better understanding of how to do this using modern tools.
So when they come to Dev Day, do they just hear from you guys, the experts, or do they get to hear from any outsiders as well?
Well, certainly the technical content is delivered by our experts and our experts, in our partner community. But certainly the point of Dev Day is to build a larger, stronger community. So there are opportunities for customers to share their stories. We have lots of networking breaks so people can exchange and collaborate. So certainly, yes, at the end of the day, we hope that we can build a stronger community for everyone.
Fantastic, thank you. This is Eleanor Young reporting live from the Mayflower, D.C. Back to you, Russ.